Hello guys, this is Solo Travel Girl and welcome to my next destination, this time Guilin. This is the capital city of Guangxi. Okay, bye bye. Thank you. Okay, so I arrived to Guilin. Of course, I am a superstar. Hopefully, look at this. Hopefully I can find some new food I haven't seen before. Okay, let's check it out. Yeah. How's it?
Yeah.
How's it?
You want to try? The latest one is very, very good. You can try.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Thank you. This is good. Oh, look at this.
我以前想看。
Wait a sec. I'm going to try this cake. Doesn't have any taste. Okay guys, so I am eating Chinese burrito vegetables. I'm trying Chinese potatoes. These are very small potatoes, you can see here. Very spicy but very good. Okay guys, there's another interesting thing I found. I want to know what is it. Look at this. It doesn't smell good guys, look at this. Okay guys, it sounds like it's for free every corner.
Hello.
Okay guys, so sounds like this is very important place for the photo session. Look at these ladies here. Okay guys, this is Guilin. Wow, look at this.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still
Okay
go.
guys, so this is Solo Travel Girl, my new destination, Guilin. I have very short time here because the bus was really slow, but I'm very happy about my room. I'm so tired. So let's explore Guilin. Okay guys, so I'm trying to catch a glimpse of Guilin before it gets dark. So I just arrived to Guilin, it's a little bit late. It's around 5 p.m. So I'm trying to catch some interesting things that you can do here. There you go, the view of Guilin. Hello guys, this is Solo Travel Girl and welcome to my next destination, this time Guilin. This is the capital city of Guangxi and it's a very beautiful city, Chinese city. You can see some little bit of modern architecture here. It looks really beautiful. And what really pays my attention is that it's surrounded by the mountains. Check this out. Bustling city. It's a big city, it's a very famous city in China for its beauty. So let's explore Guilin and let's see if I can have some dinner here. And this is the river. Oi, 这是啊，这个一个多少钱一个？
这个是10块钱一份，
不是一个 OK 啦，
这样一个，
一个都是2个块。一微信。
那里2块
OK，
钱。
2个 OK， 2个，谢谢。Okay, she told me. 谢谢。This is like a rice cake I wanted to try before, but they didn't want to sell me one. Okay, so this is my first trial. I'm going to try this cake. Doesn't have any taste. Any taste. Look at this inside. Totally bland. I'm glad I just got one. Took one. What is that? Cooking something. 这个是吗？ Chai? 这个是吗？ It's cooking something really suspicious. Wow, look at this. Oh, look at this.
我以前想看。
这个是 candy, is it? Coconut? Wow, okay, nice. You don't know. It's good. Okay, so here there's like a very important monument of the city. Let me see if I can get there for free. But I'm telling you, it looks really beautiful. This one, look. Wow, crazy. Look at them. So beautiful. So 漂亮. Look. Wow. It sounds like this is very important place for the photo sessions. Look at these ladies here. This is absolutely industry. I told you about the blooming photography industry in China, and this is how it looks. Okay guys, it sounds like it's for free. What interests me the most is the amount of girls taking photo sessions here. It sounds to be a really popular place. Look at this. Every corner, guys. Every corner. Over here. Over here. Isn't that crazy, guys? Look at this. Wow. Sounds like I can go up. Let's see. Okay guys, this is Guilin. Wow, look at this. Okay, and these are the typical Chinese houses with cages here. Look at this. But still, they must be really expensive because you are just in the center of the city, which is pretty beautiful. This is Guilin, Guilin, China. Wow, this is absolutely beautiful. Look at this. Amazing. Wow. Imagine to live here, being just the main attraction in the city. Wow. Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you. Okay, so I arrived to Guilin. Of course, I am a superstar here, and this is the place. This is where the night market starts, here. This is where something I was looking forward to come and enjoy. And hopefully, look at this. Hopefully I can find some new food I haven't seen before. Okay, let's check it out. And just want to tell you that Guilin is the city, capital city of Guangxi, and this is where you're probably going to arrive for the first time before going to Yangshuo. This is a big city, they have a lot of hotels, and they have a very big railway station, and that's where probably you're gonna arrive for the first time, and then you're gonna go to Yangshuo. Okay, let's explore food here on the main street. Look at this. I'm so excited. Let's check this out here on the first stand. Oh, absolutely, I'm gonna take that. Look at this. Really good. Okay, so she's making pancakes for me here. It costs 12. I told her I don't eat red meat, so let's see. Sure are 12 RMB. Okay, 一点点啦。哎，好。Okay. Oh, looks good. 12 RMB. There you go. Looks good. Wow. Oh, amazing. This is really good. A little bit of spicy. Amazing. Okay, now. Green onion. Oh, amazing. And she's going to roll this. Oh, wow. So handy. Great. Awesome. And it has to go to the microwave. Bye-bye. Okay guys, so I am eating Chinese burrito, vegetables. It's okay, but I would put more spice and salt. Looks like this. It's actually good. Vegetable and chicken you can add also without meat. 12 RMB. Very good here in Guilin. Okay, this is something interesting. There is also coffee. And this is mixed duck. Something spicy. Yeah. How much?
Yeah. Do you want to try?
No, this looks good, but I don't need. This is duck?
Yeah, duck.
Duck. No, duck, no. But if it's chicken, I think it's good.
But the this one is very good. You can
Oh,
try it.
no, I don't eat that, but yeah, okay. Thank you. This is good. Yeah. Thank you. Look at the chicken feet. Wow, any price, any color. How much, ma'am? Yeah, I think so. It's spicy.
这个是土豆，一个，一点点辣。
These are potatoes. Oh, so good. Oh. Okay guys, I'm trying Chinese potatoes. These are very small potatoes, you can see here. Very spicy but very good. Just 10 yuan for all this. All this cost me 10 yuan, but it's actually very good. Here on the night market in Guilin. Welcome to Guilin. I'm starting to like it. I think they have very nice night market, so let's. Okay guys, so this is the biggest fruit I ever seen. This is jackfruit. This is the cousin of durian. You can only see it and sell it and buy it here in Asia, in China. This is jackfruit. This one is very, very delicious. They already sell it like this.
多少钱一个
15, 15. This is literally, this is the biggest jackfruit I've ever seen. It's very delicious. It's basically, you can buy it everywhere here in China. The climate here is perfect to grow that fruit, and look at how big it is. Incredible. It's very tasty. Wow. It's half me. Wow, amazing. Oh wow, okay, and then you can put the spices here, sugar, chocolate.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink, cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going
Really big.
crazy.
And I just had a lot of fatty street food here in China, Guilin, and I'm drinking Coke because I am precocious. I think that if I drink Coke after fatty food, nothing will happen to me. So this is a good advice when you travel, guys. Coke after fatty food. And this is Solo Travel Girl. Remember to subscribe to my channel. This is street food market here in Guilin, Guangxi, China. Let's go. Okay guys, so even though it's raining, this place is blooming with people. There are so many people here. That must be like the meeting point. Also, the market is really big. Okay guys, there's another interesting thing I found. I want to know what is it. Look at this.
你好，这个是吗？这个是蔬菜。
It doesn't smell good, guys. Look at this. I have no idea, but
这个是肉。
oh, raw. Oh, it's meat. Oh my god, it smells terrible. And those are 10. Ah, Archer, 15, 20, but it smells terrible. Okay, let's go. Let's see what else I can see here on this market. Okay, I found something interesting. What is he doing? This is glass. Look at this. Wow. Wow, look at this. He's working on a real fire. And he's firing. Hello, hello. Wow. This is he's making the souvenirs. Hi, hello. Nice, it's the last thing I want to see and know what is it. 这个是肉？这个是吗？
生煎包。
肉？
肉馅。
肉啊 ，it's meat。我不吃肉吧。漂亮啊 ，OK， it's their meat。谢谢 meat, but it looks good though. 谢谢。Okay guys, so every time I travel in China, I see new things, I try new things, and all the time they inspire me to travel more and try more Chinese food. I hope I convince you to come to Guilin here in Guangxi Province, Guilin and Yangshuo. I hope you like my channel. I hope you can subscribe, like and comment. And this is Solo Travel Girl. Welcome to Guilin, China, and see you next video. Bye!
Ladies and gentlemen.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.